So today what we're going to do is microneedling. It's also known as collagen induction therapy. I like to pair that up with platelet gel application. So that's using a little bit of your own blood, taking out all the impurities and basically keeping the platelets as well as all the growth factors. What it does is it helps to resurface your skin, helps to lighten some of the sunspots that you have and kind of fill in a little bit of fine lines around your eyes.
We generally like to numb to make it completely painless and to make it feel more like a gentle massage.
So the numbing cream is actually a topical anesthetic. So it will penetrate through to the layers of the skin, which is the epidermis and upper levels of the dermis. We will numb your face for about 30 minutes. And meanwhile, we will draw your blood and also spin down your blood in order to get our platelet gel.
This is a tube of her blood. We're going to take it and put it in the centrifuge in order to spin out the red blood cells, white blood cells, and separate out the platelet gel. So here's your blood.
Nice.
It's done spinning. You can see the top part is the platelet gel. This is the white blood cells. These are the red blood cells. And so all we're using is actually this yellow top part, which is platelet-rich plasma. And it's also the liquidy part. And it has all your growth factors in it. So this is just a little bit more than 6 cc's.
So we're just going to clean off all the numbing cream.
This is actually what we call a micro pen, or our microneedling device. It has a tip that's disposable, and it has many needles that oscillate. So I start off by putting just a droplet of the platelet gel. I like to apply the platelet gel on before, during, and after the procedure. So I'm applying the platelet gel as I perform the microneedling procedure. The platelet gel contains a lot of growth factors, including transforming growth factor beta, epidermal growth factor, all of which will help increase the production of collagen, in addition to just the collagen production that is stimulated by the damage caused by the needles. The treatment consists of many oscillating needles, creating holes in her epidermis and upper layers of the dermis. What this does is allows me to then put more platelet gel into the areas of the treatment in order to help promote further collagen production. So I like to make both linear as well as circular motions so that there never will be any marks or tracks that are noticeable in any particular direction. So she has quite a few sunspots and areas of discoloration. One of her main areas of concern is the areas around her eyes with all the fine lines. So we want to make sure we address that area and allow her to build a little bit more collagen. Many people use microneedling with platelet gel for both the fine lines and wrinkles, as well as sunspots, acne scars, and actually even to treat acne breakouts. Remember that afterwards you'll be a little bit pink, basically the same as if you were in the sun all day. She can expect to have about 1 to 2 days of redness. The collagen growth will take about 2 to 3 weeks, but you should start to see even improvements in your skin as soon as a few days after the treatment, after the initial redness and swelling subsides. The treatment lasts approximately 20 minutes. Once the treatment is completed, I like to just put some extra platelet gel all over the areas that were treated. I'm going to give you some hyaluronic acid to put on tomorrow on your face after you wash it in the morning and at night. I don't want you to use any makeup tomorrow, but by the day after, you can put on makeup. The redness and a little bit of swelling will probably go away in about 1 to 2 days. And I want you to make sure that you stay out of the sun and use a lot of sun protection. We did cover the areas that are right around your eye, right underneath your eye, where you have a little bit of fine lines. Since the skin in that area is a lot thinner, you may have a little bit of bruising. We did adjust for the different thicknesses of your skin and use different depths of the needle for different areas of your skin.